Good morning. My name is Teja. I am from Jetking Shivajinagar. I am doing MCC course in Jetking. Today is TIBP. My task is basic commands. Okay, first of all we see ls command. It shows the directories and files in the computer. Then we want to make new directory means we use mkdir, which means mkdir means make directory. See if it's assigned. Then if you want to remove that directory means just rmdir plus enter that file name. It's remove. If we want to watch date, time, etc. means just command name is date. It shows the today, what's the week, month, time, year also. Okay, thank you.